What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with Bros.
And today we're going to show you how the NuMax brad nailer works. And it works with 18 gouge nails, up to 2 inches.
And it comes with a 1-year warranty.
This brad nailer is used with the air pressure tank. And both of these things we got from Hardware Frights. And we got links to these cool tools in the description of this video,
so you guys can check them out there. That's right, guys, and for the price, it works really good. And this is Dad demonstrating how to use it. It looks really easy because when you got the right tools, everything is more simple.
Here we are setting up some baseboard. And to use this brad nailer, you aim your spot, you press, you shoot, and it's as easy as that.
That's right, bro, just how Dad is doing it over here. And make sure you have your air tank at full pressure.
It will make the brad nailer work best. And remember, if you're liking this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help these brothers out.
And let us know in the comments what good tricks you have when you do this work.
And these are the type of nails you need to buy for this gun. And all you gotta do to reload the gun is open it up, put the brad nails in, close it, and you're all set to go.
Hopefully this review was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss a new video.
See you guys in the next video. Bros,
we out.
Bye bye, bros. See you next video.